Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to check your WIC card balance in Louisiana. So you basically need to first have the app, okay? You can download the WIC Shopper app, okay, from the Play Store or your Apple App Store. Just go ahead and click on My Benefits right here. Just click on that. Basically, after you register your card, you'll be able to see all of your remaining benefits, right? And then you can see your balance as well, see what things you're eligible for purchases. You can even see recipes from here. Basically, you can maximize your purchases in those respective categories, right? Just go ahead, register your card into the app, and then just click on My Benefits. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.